Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, which means the weekend is coming. You guys are watching this on the weekend, so you're already there. First thing that I will be doing is live streaming on my main channel. So comment below if you watch that or if you're gonna watch it. I'm trying to make holographic slime, and I did a little bit last night, but I'm gonna do like a huge amount, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I did.
Behind the scenes. You got like a whole contraption here.
I'm making holographic slime.
What is holographic slime?
It's basically like a hologram, but slime. It's really cool. Like, I don't know if you've seen the nails, and so you use that glitter that you put on nails, or you use like metallic paint, and it looks really cool. So,
what does holographic even mean?
Holographic means it's like a rainbow. Like if you move it, it like looks rainbowy.
Ah.
Like the scales of a fish.
Your descriptions are the best.
But it's Casual Friday. I just got done live streaming and things got a little...
Oh my gosh.
So I didn't want to tell him, but I was like, we gotta do something fun at the end. And you know, I've put slime on me, but I was like, I don't wanna mess this up today. So Matt, how does it feel having a holographic slime on your face?
My face feels so heavy and it keeps on moving. Like it doesn't stay in one spot, it keeps on wandering out. So I've been having to readjust. It has not been fun.
Okay,
but
okay, we'll wash it off.
I was just telling Becca, I think I know what my new outfit is gonna be for Halloween.
What?
Face full of acne.
You look so ashamed.
I feel so ashamed.
You let me do it.
Exactly. Husbanding is so hard right now.
Thank God it's Friday.
Let me see your nails. Let me see your nails.
And I got paint nails.
They look good.
I have to wear these sandals because I'm afraid I'll like, if I take them off, I'll mess them up. So.
That's right.
Even though we have the rules, no shoes in the house. I'm breaking that rule.
We just booked an escape room, so we're gonna go check that out here in a few minutes.
Hey, go there. I need an escape room.
This is one that we've been wanting to go into. It's grandmother's master plan.
Yes.
We've literally heard about this thing for a while. Heard it's like one of the best ones in town. So we're gonna go check it out in a little bit. Before we do that though, before we get into all that stuff, we're gonna do a quick little experiment. We saw this online and we thought it was super awesome. So we're gonna try it out.
Just to clarify, Matt thought this was a cool thing. I have no idea what's going on right now. So I just came home and there was like oil and water set up, so.
Yeah, so great observation, Rebecca. Thank you for pointing that out. So right over here we have water.
Yeah.
Right over here we have oil, and this is I think canola oil. And then over here we have a mix. So as you know, water is heavier than oil. That's why oil always rises to the top, and they don't mix.
Wow. It's like science class.
I love science. I was like a big science nerd.
Not me, I hated science.
Really? So what this is an experiment where you test the refraction of light. So we're gonna see if we can still see this test tube once it's submerged into water.
If this is a prank, I'm gonna be so mad.
So go ahead and submerge that into the water.
Just put it in.
Yeah. Okay, as you can see right there, you can see the test tube.
Yeah, it's...
Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna fill this one up with canola.
I think Matt's trying to impress me right now. Okay, now what are you gonna do?
So I want you to dip this into the canola oil.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's basically clear.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh!
How nuts is that? So it's like disappearing.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're
I
right.
kind of like it with the bubbles because you can actually see it.
Yeah, it's like a ghost.
So this is actually called the disappearing glass experiment. Isn't that nuts?
So like, what if you put it in the mixed one?
Let's try it in the mixed one.
Okay. So it should not show, and then show.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, that's so weird. It looks like it has nothing, and then there's just a tube. Except you can see like the white measure.
Yeah.
Whoa, Matt's getting up.
Water one. Hope you can see it. And we got the fun one here. It's so weird. That's so crazy. Where'd it go?
Science. So how can this help me with makeup?
It literally has no application into makeup, Rebecca.
I was just thinking, like, could I have disappearing makeup?
No.
What if I did oil in my eye and then put a test tube on it? Could you tell if it?
Whoa, that's creepy. We are just arriving right now at 60 Out Escape Rooms on Melrose.
We are so excited.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Oh, we have been to this
Yeah.
spot.
I know.
Oh, we were here with JoJo.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Chris?
Welcome to 60 Out. My name's Christopher.
Hello, Christopher.
I'm excited for you guys to be stressed out.
Yes.
You guys are playing a harder game, I must master plan.
Right.
Alright, guys.
So let's just say 42. 40. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Is it linear?
We found the best lighting in the place right now. Prop top lighting. Oh, we escaped. We made it out.
We made it.
Barely. It was like honestly like
World record.
we did like the world record for probably still getting out. Exactly. And still escaping.
But we did it.
Yeah. Felt pretty good.
Yeah.
But thank you, 60 hours.
We're done with the escape room. We escaped, and now we're eating some pizza. The Beaks have some pizza too.
Yeah, pizza.
We got curtain patty over
Oh,
here.
that makes it yummy.
Just in case we didn't have enough, we have garlic bread and French fries too. We finished dinner, and now we're getting some ice cream. But that looks like water.
That would be me. I'd be like,
Look at that. Let me just put it in there.